Supreme Court will hear a case on the homelessness crisis and whether cities can punish people for living on the streets.
The case could impact what policies are used here in San Diego. CBS 8's Chris Groh joining us live downtown to explain what is at stake. Good morning, Chris.
Yeah, good morning. So a lot of the policies aimed at trying to curb what many, again, believe to be a public health hazard or public nuisance when it comes to people that are sleeping in public places. Take, for instance, the unsafe camping ordinance that San Diego has in place right now, which, of course, states that it is illegal for anyone to sleep in a public, a public area if there are shelter beds available, and that it does not matter if shelter beds are available if this camping is being done by a school, park, or shelter. Now, the case at the Supreme Court hearing is Johnson v. Grants Pass. A city in Oregon began ticketing people for sleeping in public. This happened in 2018. It's been challenged, and actually that law was ruled unconstitutional. It was appealed, and the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals upheld that ruling, saying giving fines or jail time to people on the street when there isn't shelter available was cruel and unusual punishment. Now it's the Supreme Court's turn to review the case.
If the court overturns this and actually says that encampment bans are legal, what you're going to see is very aggressive enforcement by cities in terms of criminalizing folks who are on the street who have no option.
And that was ahead of serving seniors, talking about the impact that this could potentially have here in San Diego. Now, as for the timeline here, opening arguments, those will begin today, but it's not likely we get a decision by the Supreme Court until June. Advocates who would like to see that the previous ruling from the 9th Circuit Court of Appeals actually is upheld by the Supreme Court, they'll be rallying at the federal courthouse in downtown San Diego at 11:30 today.